Hello, this is Dr. Vaishali and I'm reading my third book on homeopathic book reading channel. Book name is Substance of Homeopathy, book written by Dr. Rajan Shankaran. This book contains four section, or you can say part. First part contain introduction, which is almost pasted from the spirit of homeopathy, and chapters are introduction, the story of book, and what is to be cured in the disease. Part 2, the natural classification of the disease, in which many more chapters are there. Chapters one by one are historical perspective, the purpose of classification, understanding of miasm, survival response, physical expression, correlation with other classification, personality type, physical symptom of miasm, physical state, delusion and miasm, pathology and miasm, multi-miasmatic disease state and the remedies, and separate state, classification of the remedy according to miasm, a new repertory, miasm in between the main miasm, and the proving of ringworm, the proving of bacillinum, the nosode as the center point of the miasm, what we learn from the miasm, the concept of miasm, a summary, and the illustrative cases. And part 3 contain the natural classification of the drug, in which mineral, animal, plant and imponderabilia explained. And in minerals there is a metal as a performance. Period 4, first line of metal, in which nickelum, ferrum, metallicum, cuprum, zincum, manganum, cobaltum described. And next one is period 4, second line of metal, in which palladium, argentum metallicum, argentum nitricum, stannum. And next chapter is period 6 and third line of the metal, in which platina, plumbum, thallium. And next chapter is aluminum and alumina, and the brief introduction of the periodic table, then correlation with the homeopathy, then cation, natrum, kalium, magnesium, calcia, baryta, and then anion, carbonate, silica, phosphate, arsenic, bismuth, antimony, sulfur, and the halogen like fluor, muriaticum, bromium, and iodine. Next one is of salt, in which all combination of all salt, natrum, carb, natrum series, carb series, calcia series, magnesium, baryta. And next one is acid, phosphoricum, muriaticum, sulfuricum, fluoricum, nitricum, picricum, acidum. And then summary of the periodic table. And in animal kingdom there were like caninum, sepia, nasa proving is very well given in this book, Crotalus cascavella, a case study. And then plant kingdom, in which cannabis indica in California, it is proving, and Staphylococcus. Another one is imponderabilia, approving of music. And fourth one is philosophy. And philosophy chapters are like a case from practice, the physician's reaction, picture behind the picture, the totality of the symptom, state of the pathology, learning homeopathy through life, and the homeopathy approach in the life. This is all about the introduction of the book's substance of homeopathy, which is nicely explained in this each and chapter, very precisely and nicely explained. Do listen.